In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chime Bank account without verification. Now, while the process we're discussing today may look straightforward, it's important to note that creating a bank account without some form of identity verification generally goes against US regulations. Financial institutions, including Chime, require verification to comply with laws such as the Patriot Act, which mandates that banks collect certain personal details. This is crucial for preventing fraud and money laundering. However, for educational purposes, we're going to explore what this process might look like on a surface level. To start, you'll need to head over to the Chime website. Chime is well known for its user-friendly banking experience, boasting no monthly fees, fee-free overdrafts, and a platform that helps you build credit. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the Get Started button. This is your gateway into the world of Chime, and clicking it will initiate the process of opening your account. Now, you'll want to be prepared for a CAPTCHA verification. CAPTCHAs are designed to determine whether you're a human and not a bot. You'll encounter this step pretty early on, and all it requires is some attention and patience as you complete the challenge they present. Next, you'll enter your personal information. At this step, you're expected to provide your full name, email address, and residential address. Remember, inputting accurate information is crucial because it helps prevent any mishaps or issues down the line. After filling in your personal details, click the Next button to proceed. The flow of the process should feel quite seamless if you've prepared all your information ahead of time. Moving on, you'll need to enter your birthday. Similar to entering your personal information, accuracy is key here to ensure that you meet Chime's eligibility requirements and avoid any complications. Following this, Chime will ask for your phone number. This detail is important not only for logging into your account securely in the future, but also for receiving account alerts and updates. While these steps outline the process superficially, it's crucial to remember that verification steps are critical for compliance with financial legislation. These verifications include confirming your social security number and other identifying details, which weren't part of today's basic walkthrough. I hope this provides a clear understanding of how to navigate the initial stages of setting up a Chime account. However, remember the necessity of following all required verification processes to ensure a fully functional and legitimate banking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.